In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign a subdomain to a subdirectory on Hostinger, creating an efficient setup in just a few straightforward steps. Whether you're new to managing domains or even if you've done this before, by the end of this tutorial, you'll be confidently handling your subdomains. To start off, open your browser and navigate to the Hostinger website. Once you're there, log into your account to access the hPanel dashboard. This user-friendly platform serves as your central hub for managing web services, and mostly all operations related to your domains and websites can be accomplished from here. Next, look towards the upper section of the dashboard and click on the Domains tab. Doing this will take you to your domains interface, where all your registered domains are listed. It's a great place to have an overview of your domain portfolio so you can efficiently manage multiple sites from a single location. You should now see all your domains listed. Here you want to find the domain for which you'd like to create a subdomain. When you locate your desired domain, click on the Manage button next to it. The Manage button gives you access to a more detailed configuration panel for that specific domain. After opening the management options, find and click on DNS name servers. Working with DNS records can seem tricky at first, but Hostinger has worked to make this section as intuitive as possible. In this section, you'll be managing various settings like the A record, CNAME, and more, ensuring your website points to the right server addresses. Within the DNS settings, you'll have to choose what type of DNS record you want to add. For our purpose, adding an A record is common, as it helps in pointing your subdomain to an IP address. You will be prompted to fill in details like the name for your subdomain, which could typically be something like blog if you want blogyourdomain.com, and the corresponding IP address where this subdirectory resides. Ensure you adjust the TTL, which stands for time to live, denoting the duration DNS servers are to cache the record. Once you've filled in the details, just click Add Record. Ensure all details are accurate, as improper settings can cause your website to be unreachable. Subsequently, to manage your content, you might want to click on Edit Website in the main panel. This feature helps you navigate to the Builder interface. Once you're in the Builder, navigate to Elements, where you have the opportunity to add images or galleries to your site. This is particularly useful for customizing the look and feel of your subdomain's front end. And there you have it, a simple guide to associating a subdomain to a subdirectory on Hostinger. By following these steps, you can now manage your subdomains effectively and keep your website structure organized and efficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this process much easier to understand and implement.